T
E S
O
L.
Welcome to the
TESOL
TESOL Club.
TESOL Club is the only student organization at Cal State Fullerton that represents the students in the TESOL program and provides services related to the program. With such a focus, TESOL Club proudly organizes several professional and academic events, such as workshops, trainings, study groups, career panel, and guest speakers. We have a strong connection with the faculty and a long-term collaboration with CICE SCSUF as well as TESOL organization and its Orange County chapter. We also have a peer mentorship program and hold several social events such as orientation party, after comprehensive exam party, movie night, and other social gatherings. The TESOL Club welcomes all undergraduate and graduate students in the TESOL Master's Program as well as the TESOL Certificate Program, or any student at Cal State Fullerton who is interested in the TESOL field.